Good day, freshmen. Today, I will present to you the vision and mission core values, strategic goals of Technological University of the Philippines, Visayas. In behalf of our Head in Research Services Office in its office, Engineer Gregorio L. Crisostomo, I'm Dr. Jake R. Pomperada, Science Research Specialist 2, Research Services Office. Will be presented this vision and mission, core values, and strategic goals of our university and our online survey. So today is August 22, 2024. So we have here the vision and mission, core values, and strategic goals. So vision. A premier state university with recognized excellence in engineering and technology education at par with leading universities in the Asian region. Mission. The mission of TUP is stated in Section 2 of PD or Presidential Decree number 1518 as follows. The university shall provide higher and advanced vocational, technical, industrial, technological, and professional education and training in industries and technology, and is practical art, leading to certificates, diplomas, and degrees. It shall provide progressive leadership in applied research, developmental studies, in technical, industrial, technological fields, and production using indigenous materials, effect technology transfer in the countryside, and assist in the development of small and medium-scale industries in identified growth centers. Core values. Letter T, transparent and participatory governance. Letter U, unity in the pursuit of TUP mission, goals, and objectives. Letter P, professionalism in the discharge of quality service. Letter I, integrity and commitment to maintain the good name of the university. Letter A, accountability for individual and organizational quality performance. Letter N, nationalism to tangible contribution to the rapid economic growth of the country. And letter S, shared responsibility, hard work, resourcefulness, in compliance to the mandates of the university. We have also here strategic goals. Goal number 1, quality and responsive circular offerings. Provide quality and responsive academic programs relevant to the needs of time, integrating values on the lasting peace and the rule of law. Integrity in governance, environment protection, climate change adaptation and mitigation, as well as other trust in the national agenda. Goal number 2, excellence in engineering and technology research. Conduct researches on the technology and technology education and related fields that shall contribute to the enhancement of the quality of life, sustainable economic growth, environment protection, and climate change adaptation and mitigation. Goal number 3, leadership in community services. Provide a relevant extension program in technology education, and livelihood skills towards poverty reduction and empowerment of the poor and marginalized sectors of society. Goal number 4, strengthening capability and competence. Build a pool of qualified, competent, and multi-skilled faculty and staff to produce globally competitive graduates who are expected to contribute to rapid and sustained economic growth of country. Goal number 5, modernize university system and efficient management of resources. upgrade its physical plant and facilities needed to maintain excellence, and implement aggressive, efficient, and effective management of organizational resources and processes through transparent, accountable, and participatory governance. Goal number 6, increase financial viability. Formulate and implement viable and relevant production activities, business ventures, including technology transfer and commercialization using universities' human and material resources that will generate income to support institution, research and extension programs. And lastly, goal number 7, enhance network and sustain collaboration initiatives. Strengthen institutional collaboration and synergy to enhance networking, and shall establish and expand and sustain partnership with both government and private sectors, industries and scientific organizations on academic endeavors locally and internationally. Quality policy. The UP shall commit to provide quality higher and advanced education, conduct relevant research and extension projects, continually improve its value to customers through enhancement of personnel competence and effective quality management system, complying to statutory and regulatory requirements. So we have here Vision, Mission, Goals, and Objectives online survey. Freshmen, I would like to each one of you to help us support this online survey. This is necessary for us to check whether we achieve our goals and objectives of our university. So we have here the purpose of Vision, Mission, Goals, and Objectives of online survey. Serves to align the feedback process with the school's strategic framework. The vision reflects the long-term aspirations, while the mission outlines the core purpose and values of the school. Goals provide specific, measurable targets that support the vision and mission and objectives. Detail the actionable steps needed to achieve these goals. Together, these elements provide context for evaluating the school's performance and ensure that the survey captures relevant insights on how well the school is fulfilling its overall purpose and plans for the future. Freshmen, we need your cooperation and participation in our online survey for our Vision, Mission, Goals, and Objectives survey. The QR code will be posted on the screen. Thank you very much for your support. Okay, for our admission, freshman first year student survey, kindly scan this QR code. For our Vision, Mission, Goals, and Objectives QR code for first year electronics engineering students, kindly scan this QR code. For Vision, Mission, Goals, and Objective for mechanical engineering students first year, kindly scan this QR code. The end. Thank you very much for listening.